Hey guys, thanks for taking a sec to watch my video. I am doing a essentially demo video of this washer that I've got up for sale here. And what I'm going to do is allow it to move through an entire load and show you that everything on it's working perfectly. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. We're going to set it, let's see, not pre-wash. We're just going to do normal. It's got that turbo wash option on there. Now there are tons of options on here. I'm just going kind of basic. Just so you can check it out. So here is where we're going to put our soap. Then of course we're going to layer the clothes on the outside and fill it up, and then we will allow it to move through its cycle. And what I'm going to show you is that it fills up with water, agitates, drains the water out, and then has a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. And I'll kind of cut through that, otherwise we're going to have a 58-minute or longer video. But I'll show you that those essential things are working as it moves through the cycle. So we'll go ahead and get it filled up and get it moving. Okay, and I've got it full of towels, pretty heavy towels load. Hold to start. It's gonna lock that. Now it goes through a series of sensing how big and heavy this load is, which is how much water to use. And we'll be able to come back when it is all done filling up with water. Got the soap and a little bit of bleach in there. So we'll come back after it starts filling up. Okay, so we're switching over to the wash cycle. It is also still sensing and adding more water as it goes. This is pretty heavy load, but you've got just about full submersion on those clothes. You see there as it's spinning, everything's floating pretty much. Then what happens is next, it's gonna kick in the agitation plate, which is on the bottom, and then it kind of does like a vortex of sucking that clothes down against the plate and against each other, and that's how the washing motion on this works. But the full submersion on the water thing I think is about most important. It's getting started here. Some of these machines, the newer HE machines, the cheaper ones, they don't use enough water. This is not one of those machines. This one uses plenty of water here. So we'll let that go through the wash cycle, and then we will come back for the rinse cycle. All right, about halfway through, it's draining the water out. You can hear it draining out nice and fast there. From here, it's gonna do a spin, fill back up with clean, fresh water, rinse, and then we'll be on to the final spin cycle, which I'll come back and show you. It's nice, smooth, fast, and sounds great. Getting close to being done with the rinse cycle. I just thought that was kind of cool. Doing an excellent job rinsing those clothes, making sure there's no soap residue whatsoever. Okay, this is the first of the spin cycle. I mean, it's already spinning really fast, but it actually spins a little bit faster than that. You can see, nice, smooth operation. The drain's running, so max extraction of the water from those clothes. Helps your drying time. It's a part of the HE designation. We'll come back with just a couple minutes left, which I believe it will spin a little faster. We're actually not even on the fastest spin that you can set it on. All right, still rocking and rolling, extracting the water out. It's got about 5 minutes left. I don't think it's gonna go any faster than this just because we're on the high instead of extra high. If we had it set on extra high, it would jump from this speed to the next speed, but I believe it's just gonna finish out here, continuing to extract the water out. So we're gonna call it good on this one, guys. Go ahead and get it listed up for sale. But now you know, when you get it home, plug it in, you're gonna be good to go. That's how I like to shop and spend my money, so that's how I like to list my items for sale. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.